Hello, poultry farmer. This is a continuation in poultry farming. Today, addressing coccidiosis. Coccidiosis is a protozoa disease causing sudden weight loss and low in egg production. Early symptoms comes with decreased water consumption and feed consumption, sudden weight loss, then diarrhea. Always observe the environment of your coop, and you do this by checking whether there is diarrhea. Always ensure that you use a disinfectant to clean your drinkers at least once in every 1 week. Use a correct disinfectant that is safe for your birds. Check on the feed. If the feeding is low, you should ensure that they are eating dry feed that is free from coccidiosis. And once you get the early signs, use a correct antiprotozoa to eradicate the disease before it increases in number. Always ensure that you observe the general hygiene. You never go along with hygiene. Once you observe the environment of your coop, you'll be free from coccidiosis, infectious coryza, and other protozoa infections. Was it helpful? Kindly support by subscribing. Thank you.